Welcome back to Reiner's Productions. Today we're going to take these 14 glass bottles and we're going to make them into vases, and we're going to make some wooden housings to go around them. Let's see what we can do. I have 14 bottles, so I'm going to make 3 of them that have 3 bottles, and I'm going to make one of them that has 5 bottles. And I'm going to do a nice burn finish on all of them, and I'm also going to use just some scraps I have lying around the house or reuse some of the wood that I have. The great thing about this project is that you can really use any scrap wood you have around. It doesn't have to be really nice wood. For example, I've got wood from pallets, I've got old fence boards, and I've also got some wood from some wine boxes that I've scrapped. First I'm going to make some measurements and then we're going to start cutting. We were able to cut all of our pieces, and we were able to sand them down, burn them, sand them again, and now they're ready for holes to be drilled into them. We're going to drill it big enough for the neck of the bottle on the top to go through, and then we're going to drill on the bottom a recess so that the bottoms of the bottle will have a nice place to sit. Let's go on over to the drill press. Let's get started. I have a small workshop. Alright, so here's the mock-up. It's not nailed or anything, it's nice and loose. But here's what it's going to look like in the end. And we do have a problem. These are the nails that I have, and they're really shiny. And shiny with rustic doesn't really go well. So I'm going to take the blowtorch, I'm going to try to heat these up as hot as I can get them. And then I'm going to dunk them in water, and hopefully that'll oxidize them and turn them black. And then when I'm done with that, we go ahead and nail them in, and we should be done. My plan to oxidize them actually worked really well. There's the blackened head right there, and there's the normal one. So this one will look a lot better when it's actually in the rustic looking thing, so it's not as shiny. So let's get to Okay, so I made a mistake. So the Forstner bit that I used is not big enough for the bottom. I thought it would be enough just because these are tapered, so I thought it would be enough to put in there, but they are all cattywampus. See, they don't want to sit perfectly in the hole. So I'm going to take it apart and I'm going to use a router to widen it up. So I have a hole saw that is the right diameter. So I'm going to use the hole saw to make an outline for where I need to route. So it will drill all the way through, but that's okay because these will be there to cover the hole anyway. I was able to finish the problem, and now the bottoms fit perfectly in these holes, and I also burned the holes so that it's not a bright white wood. So now these will fit and they won't wobble anywhere. So that's good. The 5 vase holders done, and now I'm going to go and finish the 3 vase holders. And there you go. Here's a really simple project. Each one of these probably took me about an hour if I didn't have the camera. With the camera makes things more complicated, but not bad. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, as always, please leave it down in the comment section. Please like and subscribe. I'd also love to hear what you guys want me to build, so put it down in the comments below as well. And always remember, it's a great day for a great day. Thank you guys. Have a good one. Hey Mom, look at my art. I call it La Mana. Look at my art.
Your heart?
My art.
Oh, your heart.
It's called La Mana.
La Mana?